In this video, I'm going to do a review of a product from the Meijer store in their deli section. What is that? It is a pepperoni and cheese calzone. Calzone. How many of you cringe when I say calzone? Because it's not called calzone, it's a calzone. I just had to do it. But yeah, let's get in this one. We're gonna look at it, we're gonna open it up, we're gonna cook it, and then we're gonna eat it.
You're about to watch the Pauly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
So I think the lava temperature is cooled down. Lava, yeah, and maybe it's because I put that sheet pan on top of the pizza stone. That's probably why it turned black like that. But yeah, we got the cheese, we got the pepperoni, cut in half. Sadly, I don't think I'm going to eat this whole thing. Yeah, 940 calories. And it does contain bioengineered food ingredients. So, again, I do this for you, the best subscribers on YouTube and Rumble. Tasty little calzone. Actually, it's pretty big. Not a whole lot of flavor going on in there, but you do get the cheese, of course. You do get the pepperoni. The bread, the dough, is pretty nice. I would have loved to have some pizza sauce in here. That would have been nice. But we will give this a Detmers pepperoni scale rating, and I'll give this a 2.5. I don't know if any of you have ever seen these in the deli section of your grocery store, but I think it's really cool that they have it at Meijer. If you see it, try it. Thank you for watching. I'm Pauly. Till next time.